The threshold of your apartment is far more than a simple doorframe. It is a profound spatial boundary. It represents the psychological shift between the demanding, fast-paced external world and the intimate, restorative sanctuary of your home. However, translating this conceptual boundary into a physical reality, particularly within the spatial constraints of modern apartment living, presents a unique and compelling design challenge. Crafting a minimalist entryway that feels genuinely welcoming requires moving far beyond the mere absence of clutter. It involves orchestrating an environment that anticipates your daily needs, soothes your senses, and greets you with an understated elegance. When executed thoughtfully, a minimalist approach strips away the visual noise that often plagues residential drop zones, replacing it with a curated sequence of elements that promote instant mental relaxation. By mastering the art of arrival, you can transform even a non-existent foyer into a warm, intentional space that sets a harmonious tone for every room that follows, turning a mundane daily routine into a moment of peaceful transition. Mastering the invisible elements of scent and sound. While minimalist design heavily emphasizes visual clarity and clean lines, a truly welcoming entryway must engage multiple senses simultaneously. The way a space smells and sounds profoundly influences our immediate emotional response the second we turn the key. Apartments often suffer from auditory spillover from shared hallways, elevators, or street traffic, which can instantly disrupt the tranquility of your home. To combat this harshness, introduce soft, sound-absorbing materials into your entry zone. A thick, plush runner rug woven from natural wool or a subtle fabric wall hanging can significantly dampen acoustic harshness and echo. Equally important is the olfactory experience. The scent of your home is its invisible, welcoming signature. Instead of heavily perfumed aerosol sprays that feel artificial and overpowering, incorporate natural, continuous fragrance solutions. An elegant reed diffuser featuring grounding notes of sandalwood, cedar, or fresh bergamot tucked onto a high shelf offers a sophisticated, inviting aroma. By consciously addressing sound and scent, you construct an invisible, comforting barrier against the outside world. Strategic zoning in open-concept microspaces. Many modern apartments open directly into a living room or kitchen, completely lacking a dedicated architectural foyer. In these open-concept layouts, building a welcoming entryway relies entirely on the strategic creation of visual zones. You must carve out a designated arrival area using clever design cues rather than physical walls. A foundational technique is anchoring the space with a distinct floor treatment. A structured, low-pile rug placed just inside the door immediately signals a functional transition, subtly suggesting where outdoor shoes should be traded for indoor slippers. Furthermore, consider utilizing subtle color blocking. Painting the wall behind your entryway setup in a slightly deeper, contrasting shade to the rest of the room creates a psychological alcove. Combine this visual boundary with a slim, wall-mounted floating shelf rather than a traditional, heavy console table. This smart substitution preserves precious floor space while establishing a clear, defined zone for your arrival rituals, proving that architectural limitations need not hinder an elegant, minimalist aesthetic. Softening the space with organic geometry. Apartment architecture is typically dominated by rigid, unyielding lines, rectangular doors, square hallways, and sharp 90-degree corners. If a minimalist entryway strictly mimics these shapes, the resulting atmosphere can feel overly clinical, severe, and unwelcoming. To cultivate genuine warmth and approachability, you must deliberately introduce organic geometry to break up the visual rigidity. The most effective way to achieve this spatial softening is through the incorporation of curves. A large, perfectly round or asymmetrical pebble-shaped mirror hung above your console immediately relaxes the space, drawing the eye in a continuous, gentle loop rather than bouncing off sharp, aggressive edges. Carry this vital principle into your accessories as well. Opt for a sculptural, rounded catch-all bowl carved from natural wood for your keys, or select a ceramic vase with fluid, undulating lines. These subtle, organic shapes mimic the beautiful irregularities found in nature, introducing a subconscious sense of ease into an otherwise highly structured environment. the philosophy of routine and mindful maintenance. A beautiful, welcoming entryway is only as successful as the daily habits that sustain it. The very nature of a minimalist space leaves absolutely nowhere for clutter to hide. A single discarded envelope or an extra pair of sneakers can instantly disrupt the carefully curated calm you have built. Therefore, maintaining this space requires adopting a strict lifestyle philosophy, specifically the one-in, one-out rule. Your entryway must never serve as long-term storage. Instead, treat it as a temporary transit lounge. Limit the available hangers on your sleek coat rack to precisely the number of people living in the apartment, perhaps keeping just one extra for a visiting guest. When a new coat comes out for the season, the old one must immediately migrate to the main bedroom closet. Make it a non-negotiable daily ritual to empty your key tray of miscellaneous receipts and junk mail. By establishing these simple micro-habits, you ensure your minimalist aesthetic remains a permanent reality rather than a fleeting state. Designing for unobtrusive seasonal adaptability. Finally, a truly functional entryway must adapt to the shifting, often messy demands of the seasons without ever compromising its core minimalist ethos. In the warm summer months, the space may only need to accommodate lightweight denim jackets and simple canvas shoes. However, winter inevitably brings a deluge of heavy wool coats, dripping umbrellas, and muddy boots, items that threaten to completely overwhelm a spatially constrained area. Anticipate these dramatic seasonal shifts with modular, hidden solutions. Invest in a slender, minimalist boot tray made of matte black metal or natural rubber that can slide discreetly under your floating bench when not in active use. Utilize attractive, opaque baskets equipped with sturdy lids, placed on the highest shelf or tucked neatly on the floor, to corral seasonal accessories like thick scarves and gloves.